Taste North 2024 was held at Wick High School in the heart of Caithness. This year the community came together once again to celebrate the very best in Caithness and Sutherland's food, drink and creativity. With a record-breaking turnout of over 2,100, visitors of all ages filled the venue, eager to explore what this year's event had to offer. From handcraft goods to locally produced food and drink, our exhibitors showcased a wide variety of unique and high-quality offerings. Our local businesses and producers put on amazing displays. A key highlight was the Taste North Challenge, judged by an expert panel, including our guest chef Tony Singh. Congratulations to the talented bakers of all ages, whose imagination and skills impressed the crowd and judges alike. Our celebrity guest chef Tony Singh captivated audiences with his cooking demonstrations, sharing his passion for local ingredients and showing us how to turn them into delicious dishes. Of course, we all had to try some. The fun continued with Mr. C's cocktail masterclass, where local spirits took centre stage in his vibrant and inventive creations. Whether it was tasting incredible food and drink, chatting with our exhibitors, or enjoying family-friendly fun, there was something for everyone at Taste North. Moments like these, connecting with the people behind the products, are what make Taste North such a fantastic event in the far north. Behind the scenes, a dedicated team worked tirelessly to bring this event to life. A big thank you to everyone involved. Taste North 2024 celebrated the fantastic food, drink and craft producers in our North Highland community. We can't wait for the 10th anniversary event in 2025.